Today, we are going to answer Jason's question about resistance and intention. So, let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're answering a viewer's question about resistance and intentions. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And if you would like assistance creating and manifesting those wonderful things, and maybe any clarification on how everyone is you pushed out works or creating intentions, then definitely check out the description. There's a link for email coaching below. Anyways, okay. So Jason has a question. By the way, Jason, thank you so much. And yes, I look forward to some roses. His question is, basically he was listening to a video on law of attraction, and she was and the person was saying that said to a man that the more he tried to push against resistance, trying to fix it and get it the way he wants it, the more it would increase. So basically his question is, how do we know we're not producing more resistance and doubt when we're trying to fight through doubt with our affirmations and intentions? Okay, really excellent question. Okay, so basically what it is, okay, resistance is thoughts. Okay, so let's say I intend to go to the gym and I think, oh, you know what? The gym's going to be so busy. I'm not going to get a parking spot. So right there, I mean, my goal of getting to the gym and getting a workout in is now been blocked, or there's resistance because I think that the parking lot's going to be full. I'm not going to get any parking spot and the gym's going to be full. So that creates resistance right there. Or let's say that I'm looking to manifest, a specific person into a committed relationship, and I have the thought that they do not want to be in a committed relationship with me, and that they just don't want to be in a committed relationship with anybody. That thought right there is resistance to me actually manifesting what I want. So resistance is really just thoughts, because remember, our thoughts create more than our words do. So basically what resistance is, okay, in a specific person, so the more we resist, the more it persists. So how that would work, okay, this is actually a true story. So when I was manifesting my specific person, I had this thought that he did not want to be in a relationship, that, basically I wasn't good enough and he had a bad experience in the past, so he did not want to be in a committed relationship. And that was the thought that I was holding, okay? And then, of course, all the while I was pushing and I was like verbally saying, oh, why won't you commit to me? Why don't you want to be in a relationship with me? We should move in together. We'll be so happy. And he was like, no, 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 right? And then finally one day I was like, you know what? I've had it. I'm dumping you. Until you decide to change your mind, I'll be over there. You can go find me over there. You can come crawling back when you're ready. So basically, I was resisting what I had created, because with my thoughts, I created my Jerry doll to not want to be in a relationship. Okay. And I was resisting that. Okay. Pushing that I wanted it. And that just ended up pushing him away. So what I was resisting and what was persisting is the resistance was he didn't want to be in a relationship. And me holding that thought and verbally trying to change it just creates more of it, because I'm focused on it. My thoughts are focused on it. Your thoughts will always override your words. Your intentions and your thoughts are way more powerful than your words. Whatever you're thinking is what's going to be created. It doesn't matter what you're saying. Ultimately, you want what you're thinking and you're saying to match up. That's the most powerful, right? So in that situation, I was creating resistance by him not wanting to be with me. And the more I thought about that, the more it persisted. Okay. So how we would change that is with our intentions. So basically what I had to do, right, to actually manifest my specific person was turn around and say, look, you know what, Jerry, it's okay. I understand you're not ready for a relationship, because really, I know I created that with my own thoughts. And I'm okay with what we're doing right now. And then here's the important part is I stopped at that moment in my life and I said, okay, you know what? I need to change my thinking. And I started changing my thinking and I started to say, of course, my Jerry wants to be in a relationship with me. Of course, he's ready to commit to me. Of course, I'm good enough. Okay. And basically, after like a week of doing that, he just changed his tune like that. In fact, he's the one who asked me to move in with him. So, that's the thing, right? So, what we resist persists. So, we create our own resistance with our thoughts. Okay. So, take a look, right? And see what you's going out around in your reality. Okay. So, if you're trying to manifest somebody to get past friends with benefits, you got to lose the thinking that they just want to be friends with benefits. And you have to start telling yourself that they are ready for a relationship. They do want to be with you. If you want a closer relationship with someone, you've got to lose the thought that they're cold and they don't communicate with you. You have to start saying they're warm. They communicate with me all the time. They love talking with me. So your thoughts ultimately create. And your thoughts either create resistance or break down resistance and turn into your manifestations. Okay. So Jason, I know that answers your question. And I even made it into an SP related. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting. Pardon me. You guys are all amazing. Anyways, have a great day and create something wonderful for yourselves. Bye-bye.